In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So one of the easiest fixes is by trying to download the Epic Games Launcher on the Microsoft Store itself. So please go ahead and open up the search bar right over here and then just look up Microsoft and then Store, and then you should be able to go ahead and find it. Please go ahead and press on open. Go to the search bar and look up Epic Games right over here, press on enter, and you want to go ahead and install the Epic Games Launcher from the Microsoft Store. This has worked for a lot of people, so go ahead and give this a shot first. But here's another way that you guys can do it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your task manager. Go to the search bar and just type in task manager, press on open. Then it is going to give you a list that looks like this, and you want to end any instance of the Epic Games Launcher. So if you see the Epic Games Launcher over here or in background processes, you want to locate it. So as you're able to tell, we have it here. You want to right click, then press on end task. Okay, afterwards, close out of the task manager, then open up the file explorer right over here. Then from here, go to the left menu and you want to scroll down until you see this option that says this PC. Then select on local disk. So then you should see this folder that says program files and then x86. You want to go ahead and press on that. Then you want to scroll down until you see Epic Games. So it should be right over here. And then you just want to right click on it and you want to press on delete just like this. Okay, once that's finished deleting, go ahead and go back to the C file right over here. Then select on program files without the x86. Then you want to scroll down and then find Epic Games one more time. Then you want to do the same thing, right click, then press on delete. And once you're done with that, go ahead and now try to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher from there. That is going to give your PC a fresh, clean slate and will easily allow you to download the Epic Games Launcher. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.